Hello, Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So in collaboration with Philosophy Skincare, I am creating a video diary at 4 weeks and 8 weeks using their new Dose of Wisdom Bouncy Skin Reactivating Serum. I've been using the serum for about 4 weeks, and I wanted to show you not only how I use it, but also the changes I have seen in my skin since I added it to my skincare regime. So this is basically a trial over time to see if Philosophy's new Dose of Wisdom serum lives up to its claims. I will explain what the serum does, and then I will show what order I use it in my skincare regime and how I apply it. And then I'll talk about what outcomes I've seen in the last 4 weeks of using the new product. So what does the product do? The key idea with Dose of Wisdom is that Bouncy is the new healthy. And I love this idea that a serum can help my skin be more bouncy because, as you know, aging skin loses its firmness. And so anything we can use to add bounce is super important. And it's also really exciting. So Philosophy says that this product revives, plumps, brightens, and will make my skin more radiant. It does this by using in-depth hydration and collagen support through a patented vitality booster and molecule-grafted hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So some good products. Okay, how do you use it? So I use Dose of Wisdom morning and night on freshly washed skin. Many people ask what order to use skincare products, and the idea is to go from clear to cloudy. Therefore, after I cleanse my face and tap to dry with a towel, I apply about the size of a dime to my face and neck, gently massaging it into my skin with upward strokes. It feels smooth and silky on my skin and absorbs easily without any irritation. Once the product is no longer visible, I add moisturizer and then my sunscreen. So what visible results have I seen in my skin in the last 4 weeks? Dose of Wisdom is a multi-benefit product, which means you get many benefits when you use it, not just 1 or 2. So I've noticed a more radiant appearance, improvements in elasticity or bounce. So the idea that bouncy is the new healthy is very appropriate. My skin looks more youthful, plumped, and better rested as well. I've definitely seen visible multi-benefit results, and I can't wait to see what my skin will look like after 8 weeks. What a great way to start my day with a little dose of wisdom. See you in another 8 weeks to see how my skin is doing.